Hey YouTube, I'm here, picking up just from the last video. I'm going to bring this thing online at long last. It's as simple as that. That should now be getting 120 ore per minute, getting into these three blenders. These three blenders are not meant to reach 100% efficiency. They're meant to hit about 80%, which is perfect for 20 encased uranium cells per minute. That goes into the manufacturers, which require 20 per minute per unit. Let's just watching it turning on here. There we go. Here we go. Now, by power grid, production is about 14,000 to, it dips under, roughly 14,000, but it fluctuates heavily. And it's going to take a bit to get them turned on. And then the production time is 2.5 minutes, so it's going to take a while. But now that's all turned on, the waste sulfuric acid's coming through here and going into my packager, which will be burning it off into the awesome sink, which I could have connected to the other one, but meh. This is just nuclear bombs, which I really need to repaint the color of, but I won't yet. I'll do that later. I just gotta find a good color. Maybe this off green? I kinda like that, actually. Yeah, I kinda like that. Ah, radiation. There we go. Okay. For those worrying about radiation, this is a video game, so don't worry. I'll repaint all that later. For now, this. So, I'm just waiting for the nuclear fuel to go out. It still doesn't have enough encased uranium cells to turn on. It's almost there. So let's get a upper view here. Actually, let me grab a power line and stick this up high somewhere. There we go. This allows my hover pack to allow me to get up high, so I can just show you everything, because it's still going to be a couple minutes before the reactors finally turn on. So, the copper is not really doing anything, but the iron is. Iron comes up, turns into iron plates, which comes down this line here, going way over there to turn that into my nitric acid. The rest goes into steel beams right there from steel production with this iron coal there. Steel beams go into there to make it encased industrial beams with concrete, which is needed for my encased uranium cells. Or no, it's the actual fuel rods that's in there. So the uranium's coming down from there, gets fed into the blenders. The blenders feed it into the manufacturers. Those making the fuel actually goes into my nuclear reactors over there. Water's on that tower from the lake underneath. You see this double lake. This is the lake feeding my nuclear plant. This is just another lake that I'm not currently using. So that does all that stuff. Then we have the waste. Now the waste is all of this. And besides the whole sulfuric acid needing to be built from over there, waste comes out from there, hits the most critical splitter merger unit, hits the first blender, turning some of the waste into non-fissile uranium. The rest of the nuclear waste just goes straight in to the particle accelerator, the thing I was waiting on this whole time. That turns into plutonium. That goes to encased plutonium, which turns into plutonium fuel rods, which are just extremely valuable in the awesome sinks. I'm going to melt them. I could just melt the other stuff. You cannot melt in the awesome sink the uranium waste, so I would just go ahead and do that. Now, so you have to turn it into something, but I could just do it with the plutonium. I choose not to. Oh, these are doing it. They're almost there. 65. My first nuclear fuel rods. So, I could just get rid of... I don't think you can awesome sink the non-fissile uranium, or I just built a bunch of those. But I could with the plutonium. However, it's not worth very much points. For those wondering, this is literally just a video game thing, this awesome sync, which I can show you the awesome shop a little later. I think I only have one. It's like 80%, 85. We're about to see the fuel go. I didn't have a green there. Let's hope all this works, or it's going to be a bad day. Because now there's radiation filling the area. Come on. The should see. There they go. 3. Oh, this is now online. It's burning its fuel. Look at that spike. And there's only 3 of them online right now. 14,000 to 21,000 with only 3 of them online. That's 1 right there. And this is 2. Now imagine with all 6. You can oh, look at this. There you go. And the waste is going out. It's all looking good. There's that lake. I'm going to show this real quick. So all of these are for my nuclear reactors. All that's for my sulfuric acid. So, but they all go up that tower. Now the bottom marked for stuff. The reactors themselves are marked there. And then that's I'll talk about it a little later. For now, waste. Uranium waste is ridiculously radioactive, so I'm staying a distance. But here's the important thing. This needs a ton. That does not. So, I have all the waste coming in, then I have half of it splitting off, and then now it's splitting off half again. So 1/4 is going into the particle accelerator, 3/4 is going into the blender here. Here it goes. Dong. It's non-fissile uranium and water. So, uranium waste is going in, and non-fissile uranium is also going into the particle accelerator. Come on. I'll remove the 1 for now. I'll keep it in. I'll just have it turned off. Luckily, I can slide this to change the output at will. As long as that stays below 100%, I'm fine. Look at all that waste coming down the line. And there's only 3 reactors online. There's the non-fizzle. So this will eventually fill up. When it does, it's going to make my plutonium pellets, which is very radioactive. The plutonium pellets in concrete get into my encased plutonium cells, the same as the other cells over there. And that eventually gets to here, which I didn't do my math. What is this again? 5, 10, 15. And that's 7.5. So actually, let me disconnect 1. So that's 15. That's 15. And this is 30, so we'll do 2. That should work. So I only need 2, but I'll keep that one there just in case. I'll just rehook it up, and I'm done. Now, the rings. The particle accelerator. It's almost full of non-fizzle. I do not like how... Oh, wait, nope. Here we go. All right, turn on for me. There it goes. It's a particle accelerator, so... This is the whole thing, because you cannot get rid of your uranium waste. You have to store it, but you can turn it into this stuff, which you can get rid of. It takes a while. Oh. It sounds awesome, but I want to be able to talk, so I turn off the sound in the game here. There we go. That's plenty. Now it's going to pump it out. And so I'm not hooking it up to this one, but the other two. There we go. 7.5 per minute, so 15 between the two of them. And these will do 15 between the three of them. As long as this is faster than the particle accelerator, and it might be. Otherwise, I'll just get a power shard. How are you looking? Nope. Too much. Yep, so I need that extra power shard in there. That's good. This is below 100%. That's good. These are just about done with that. This is about to turn on again, but it's not quite there. Nope, there it goes. It's turning on. Now, it takes it a minute. About 40 seconds with one power shard in there. And these are empty. Good. And these are not quite there. They're empty. These are empty, but these are not full. Did they send it? No. So this is the whole thing. This awesome thing. You can see my rate per minute is 58,000. You will know when a plutonium fuel rod goes in, there'll be a gargantuan spike. And then it's just gone. Oh, there goes more. And so now I'm just keeping an eye on. Oh, all the reactors are now online. What's my power grid? Oh, ow! Radiation. Production is 29 to 30,000. The capacity switches because of that particle accelerator. So, oh, look at how much they need. They need 30. So, the fact that these are not yet turned on is good. But 4 minutes. I gotta keep you here for another 4 minutes, assuming they finally turn on. Ooh. So these are filling up with radiation really quick. Plutonium is crazy radioactive, so I can already not get too close to them. Ow. I need to mark this area heavily. This is how I do it. Your mileage may vary, but I just want to make sure I know where the radiation is so I don't, accidentally get melted. Ow. Oh, it's even out here? Yes, it is. How about you? Are you here? Yes, you are. How about here? Yep. How about here? Nope, not. Oh, yep. This one. Oh, here. How about here? Yep. How about yep. How about this one? Nope. This one? Yep. All right. So you can see that. So I'm just making a ring around the area so you know where that radiation is. So these are filling, but now it's radioactive, so I gotta be careful. Ow. And it's about halfway. Good. Let's land and mark more. How's my radiation? Radiation's here. Okay. How about here? No. How about over here? No. Over here? No. I know it's there. That's only with that one not even turning on. Radiation. Found it. Radiation? No. Radiation? No. How about... Yep. How about over here? Yep. Yep. Ow. Is it here? Yep. Is there. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. By the way, it will grow as they fill up. The area will grow. So... I think it'll look like that, actually. They still haven't actually activated yet to begin melting the radiation, but I need to go around and do that to everything. So you'll see this grow by a lot, but I need to worry about that later. I really should build a hazmat suit, but for now, I don't care. How are you? Below 100%. Awesome. How are you? Below 100%. Awesome. How are you? Below 100%. Awesome. Below 100% for the nuclear waste stuff is great. Being above 100% for everything else is great. All the feeders. Below 100% is great for that. So how are you? I gotta get in. Ow, ow, ow. Almost there. It's almost ready to begin cooking. Okay. That's still going to be a few minutes, and then I'm going to look at the awesome sink. For now, let me go ahead and paint my nuclear bombs, so that way you can tell where they are. Even though this is the other green from the other thing. Really, I should use this swatch for the other stuff, but whatever. So my nuclear bombs will come on here. And luckily, they're not radioactive. I'm currently holding several of them. So I want to make this a little more green, but not super green. Yeah, it changes all. That's more of a yellow now. Yellow, more green. Kind of an off green, you know. There, you can kind of see the difference between the two. One's like yellow green, the other's kind of a green. So the yellow green is my nuclear bombs, and the green is the uranium and radiation warning stuff. Video games are fun. Where are my nuclear bombs? How come I haven't seen a single one? I know it's slow, but come on. "48 seconds. Well, hey, it's working. Hey, oh, they're turned on. They turned on. Ow, radiation's all the way out here now. So 58,000 a minute. Yep, the radiation's out here. All right, warning. Warning. Right? Yeah. How about you? Yep. Ow. No? Yep, absolutely. Ow. And that, remember, the other one's not even on. So, now the whole point of this is the awesome sink, which is at 56,000. That's going to be minutes, so I have time. Ow. Yep. Ow. Yep. I'm just gonna. Ow. Yep. Wait, is it all the way over here? No. How about over here? Yep. Yep. Over here? Nope. Yep. Over here? Yep. Man, is that radioactive. Look at that area. And it's going to keep growing. Remember, I only have the 2 turned on, not even all 3 of them. I gotta get a reading. Ow. 68%. Ow. Okay. Oh. Okay. Hazmat suit. Special craft bench. And hazmat suit requires fabric. I don't have any fabric. Oh, there goes that. Oh yeah. How are you? Up below 100%. Awesome. I gotta go and get fabric from my main factory. I want to read the thing. Let me read the thing. Yep, it hasn't gone in yet. So these are nearing. You'll see it for a brief moment, and then it'll disappear. And then we'll see this go up. Crazy. And then I gotta go get some fabric so I can build a hazmat suit. Look, I'm on a peaceful difficulty. It's difficult for me to die, and I just heal up to full health. Come on. No, there they go. There goes 2. Awesome. Wait for it. Wait for it. 58,000. Now, only 2 went in. This scans per minute is only 2 every 5 minutes, so it's not like it's hundreds. That was just 2. It goes from 50,000 to 363,000. That's why I do this. Doing all the other stuff, it doesn't have anywhere near as much of a spike. A. B. It also doesn't do anywhere near as good for a per minute from what I can find. Some others have done some other tests, but until then, you see the gigantic hazardous area is turning into something of a smiley face. Let's fix that. Alright, so that's a problem area, but whatever. So, remember that water? The blender that's making my non-fissile uranium from the nuclear waste, which goes into the particle accelerator. It said it had blender output. That comes down here. It flows and flows and flows and flows and flows into this coal generator, which is barely running. Still bips here and there. Now that's not good. That means that one of my nuclear plants is offline every now and then. That needs to be solved. Actually, it looks like it's 2 of them. But this being at less than 100% is good. I'll burn all that. So that's... Okay. It's... A couple of my plant... Yeah, that one's turned off until it gets more fuel. And then it should have more fuel in a minute. There it goes. Alright, so I'm not getting enough fuel to keep these running at 100%. Now that's a new worry. Let me just do this. You notice I'm able to get pretty close to these without fear of radiation. I mean, it is radioactive, but I gotta get close. I'm landed on the thing. I'm not even being irradiated. Look how much radiation there is here. I'm not being irradiated. That's how little radiation this thing's outputting. How about the fuel? Oh, yep, there's some. Ow. Oh, so it's the output area. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not even... What? Why is it only the one? Oh, whatever. Ow. Let's go ahead and do that. So that's good to know. It's the output zone. Let's go ahead and do this just to make it a little better. Are you done? Yep. Here we go. Whew. You saw how crazy high that radiation thing went for that? So they're occasionally offline, and then they get fuel, and they come back online. Oh, this has another unit. Oh, it's water. It's the water. Okay. There we go. Water for reactor set. There. That's this one. Why are you not getting water through? Why are you bleeding? It's this one. Okay. Okay. You're going through... Is the one on the right? One on the right, 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 one on the right. It's top one, top one. Let's just verify. Okay. This is a constant 600. This is a constant 600. This is fluctuating all over the place. Why are you fluctuating? You're here. That one's a double. No. Let me just try something here. I'm just desperate for... You get it working somehow. Just hope that fixes it. Doesn't look like it. Okay, this is an emergency. I'll catch you later.